So it's all about all the things nowadays going on with Gemini and open source. So what are your thought process about open source and how you think it is revolutionizing the industry?
So basically, always, if you see the history of technological advancements, open source community, open source is something which plays a vital role in this AI advancements or any kind of advancement in technological world. Like I will take just an example. Like initially, when Kubernetes was donated by Google to open source, right, to CNCF. It was in a very raw stage at that particular time. But nowadays, I think almost all the production apps are running on Kubernetes, right? So this kind of advancements happens when community comes into the picture, and they do a lot of amazing things to make your tool amazing, right? So in the same way, if you see AI, currently it's a buzz, right? If you deal with different clients, ask different client and communicate with different clients, right? Making AI into production is still a very critical part, right?
Exactly.
But the way people are moving towards open source in this particular AI domain, like recently you heard about news that Google has donated A2A2 CLCF, right? ADK is also something which is open source. Google also has LLM Gamma as an open source. So in the same way, there are a lot of tools, a lot of models available which are open source. Why? Because so that more people can able to contribute to these particular use cases or tools and make this tool more advanced, so that moving future, if somebody wants to take it in production, it will be easier, compatible for everyone. So I think this is what is going to happen the way it happens to Kubernetes.
Amazing thing, Abhishek. We have talked about Gemini CLI, we have talked about Kubectl AI, we have talked about how AI agents are impacting the future, also with the real world use cases, right? So, I mean, yes, I mean, with combination of all these things, it is very necessary to use those AI tools, because nowadays AI is booming. We can, I mean, gone those days where we are just manually coding, and vibe coding is the new future, right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, I think that with integration of all those things, like if you talk about ID, cloud, integrating cloud with MCP servers, it takes around 30 seconds to get those MCP server. You just go to settings.json file, add those contexts around it, and then you just restart it. And it is just, you have an AI agent in your machine that will do the task easier for you rather than manual overflows, right? So that's the best thing I like about AI, that it actually saves the cost, saves the time, and actually, all bunch of stuff that we will do manually. Previously, we are using AI nowadays to do that work. That will become faster, right? So I think AI is the next gen future for, I don't know when the time flows, right? So yeah, with the
in the same context, like I always say whenever I give any talk, is like nowadays everyone is a full stack developer. Whether you are a non-technical person or technical person, you just type whatever you want. It will take only few minutes to make your vision into reality.
Yeah.
So that is something is happening there because of these AI advancements, and I prefer everyone to explore this particular thing, not as a worried tool that this is going to remove our job. It's a tool, right? You just make use of it, and your work will be very easy.
Exactly. So yeah, with the positive note, we are ending this podcast. As we all know that we have explored a lot in IO Connect. We have seen multiple sessions which were all around AI. And if you miss those, our podcast is there to help you how the AI is revolutioning our future. So yeah, happy coding and happy learning, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thank you, everyone.